Hello, students. So just in case you need a little bit of help with setting your Word documents, I want to show you a couple steps that you can take to ensure that you have your documents set up for font size, font style, and how to use a header. And I'm hopefully going to keep this very quick and short for you. So the first thing for MLA format is to put your name on the paper. So I'm going to just invent a student named Jose Falcon. Sounds cool, like a superhero name. Then you put the word professor and then my name. And then you put the class title. And then the date starts with the day, then the month, then the year. Then we always want to have a title, so I'm going to go up to the word home here, and I'm going to use it as center justification, and I'm going to put in a clever title. I always like clever titles over, something like Essay 1. I would rather you try a clever title. So, surfing the net, something like that. And then you want to go back to left justification, and you're going to tab to indent your first paragraph, and then you can start your first paragraph. So that's the setting up of the MLA formatted document. We also want to insert a header, so we're going to go up to the same buttons at the top here. We're going to click on Insert. And instead of clicking on header, I'm going to click on page number, because that's really one of the goals with that, is to have a page number. I want it at the top of the page. I want it to the left, to the right of the page. And then I also want to add my last name, or you're going to add your last name, and that will automatically number all your pages. So that is a great way to set it up so you don't have to keep moving it around, and when you add content to your paper, it won't move around. And then one final element to check in the home page is where we see the word paragraph. Click on that little arrow and make sure you have double spacing set. So your papers all will be double spaced. And also check the font size. I prefer 12 point, and Times New Roman is a great font. So you can set up your document to use those elements, and then you're all set. So that's a quick tutorial for you.